Ka National People's Party haka jingelam Conrad Kyrshan National President ubadairu Menteri Rangba ka Jala Meghalaya haka arpsan Regulber arja arpusa ulah Kyrshan Nagaland banyak kendu yau nongseng jongan National Democratic Progressive Party unai pui Rio ubadai Menteri Rangba ka tega Jala banyak kran halor ke election MP Lok Sabha ka ban Shillong haka khat khandai uyayong arja arpusa. Hakani ka jingla yakendo ka NPP, kabadon lang ru kumjo kum ka NDPP hak National Democratic Alliance balam khamat dak Bharatiya Janata Party syapdeng India kala shimti Ïakren bakum ka party kan Kyrshan lang yaw kertong ka NDPP u Dr. Chumben Muri. Ka Jala Nagaland kadon tangkawai ka parliamentary seat barutu keho yapthomi ude u MP bamanta. Ka NPP kadon tang san ngut ki MLA ka yeng dorbar thawan ka Jala Nagaland bat Kyrshan ru ka sarkar balam khamat dak ka NDPP hak jinge trai lang bat ka BJP. Hagaje kendu yau Rio yau Conrad lasenran lang dau Thomas sangma ubreu lampang ke yeng dorbar thawan ke Jala Meghalaya haringkat ki MLA ki nongkit kam ke parti Nagaland.
The first resolution that we took today officially was to support the candidature that is being proposed and sponsored by the NDPP for the Lok Sabha elections. We have decided as a National People's Party to endorse that candidature and as a party to support the candidature that has been proposed by the NDPP in the true team spirit of the NDA. As you're aware, the NDA partners have expressed similar support to the different political parties of the NDA who have sponsored candidates in different parts of the Northeast. The NDA partners are supporting each other in those states also. For example, in Meghalaya, the NDA partners are supporting the candidature of the NPP. In Arunachal, the NDA partners are supporting the candidature of the BJP. And also in Outer Manipur, the NPF has met me today and they have urged for us to support, and officially we have discussed this with the Manipur unit also of the NPP, and our MLAs have also expressed, then the parties expressed that they will support the candidature of the NPF in Outer Manipur also. So hence this is the spirit in which the entire NDA is today working. And it is in that spirit that we met the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland, Mr. Rio, and we have handed over the resolution to him, and we have expressed, as I said, our full support for the candidature that is sponsored by the NDPP. Apart from that, we have discussed other issues related to the overall coalition and the working of the coalition, and those are of course matters which are more internal, and therefore I do not wish to discuss those in details, but certain concerns have been expressed and those have also been shared with the Honorable Chief Minister of Nagaland. We had a very positive meeting. In the meeting there were also representatives from the other coalition partners like the BJP, and as I said, in front of them also we discussed all the details about the election, and as I said, once again we are very happy to give our support to the NDPP candidate.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.